How to delete Snapchat account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete Snapchat account. Now to do so is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you. First, what you want to do is open up the Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this. Now head into your profile by tapping on the profile or Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then again head into settings by tapping on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you do this, scroll down all the way down below, and here under support, tap on I need help. Once you do this, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Scroll down below and tap on managing my account. And now again, tap on delete or reactivate my account. Once you do this, you'll get two options. Tap on the first option, how do I delete my Snapchat account? And you'll get somewhat interface like this. Scroll all the way down below and tap on the accounts portal that you can see in blue, that here right now on the screen. Tap on it, accounts portal, and once you do this, you'll be headed to delete your account page. Now what you want to do is simply type in your username and type in your password here, and then tap on continue, and your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete Snapchat account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.